Hey everybody, welcome to Mortgage Today for Monday, December 9th, 2024, and what a day it was. UMBS are down UMBS were down 7 basis points at early trading this morning. Stock futures were down 4 points. U.S. Treasuries are slightly cheaper and steeper this morning compared to Friday's close over the weekend. South Korean President Yoon survived an impeachment move. Another vote is scheduled for the 14th. But Syrian President Bashar al-Assad resigned and fled the country yesterday to Russia, ending the Assad regime's 50 years in power. The announcement came a little over 1 week after rebels captured the country's commercial capital of Aleppo in the days-long assault, and then they captured the cities of Hama and Homs before taking control of the capital of Damascus yesterday. In an NBC interview over the weekend, President-elect Trump reiterated his tariff threats to Mexico and Canada, but offered no new developments. UK job vacancies recorded its steepest decline in 4 years, marking 13 consecutive months falling staff numbers. The upcoming week will be all about the consumer price index. Which will be released on Wednesday. There will be no Fed speakers. We will also get productivity numbers and producer price index. The December Fed Fund futures see a 85% chance of a rate cut next week. Redfin has put out its 2025 predictions for the housing market. They predict that home sales will increase in 2025 as a result of pent-up demand. However, new home prices will continue to grow and wages should increase. Home price appreciation is expected to continue as for-sale inventory remains on the low side. Redfin sees 3% home price appreciation nationally. Consumer sentiment improved in December, according to University of Michigan. Part of this was an increase in buying conditions for durable goods, which the survey attributes to consumers anticipating future tariff increases. The survey saw the continued bifurcation of sentiment based on political affiliation, with Republicans getting more optimistic and Democrats becoming more pessimistic. Imagine that. On inflation, expectations increased for the next 12 months, rising from 2.6 to 2.9%. On the other hand, long-term inflation expectations fell from 3.2 to 3.1. Bonds lost a moderate amount of ground on Monday, with 10-year yields moving back above the levels seen before last Friday's job report. MBS didn't lose quite as much ground thanks to the higher correlation with shorter dated treasuries these days. There were no significant economic reports. It was the lowest trading volume day of the year so far. There were no significant economic reports, and it was the lowest volume day of the year so far. A stunning reality, consider that honor would usually go to a Friday after Thanksgiving. In addition to a low volume qualifier, today's weakness is inconsequential simply because it keeps bond right in line with the flat line in yield seen over the past 6 trading days. If anything, Friday was the outlier there, and today is just another day. UMBS closed the day down 20 basis points at 100.03. So at 100.03, still we went up. We tested that 100-day moving average, and it failed. So we'll have to try to see if we can get some bad news as the week goes on.